What's happening, everybody out here? So I got the car back at the house, and I want to show you the rest of the Whipple install. Now, I just got to say, having the car down at Steeda is just quite an experience. You meet a lot of cool people, and you learn a lot of things. It's just incredible. You know, it's one of those experiences, I think, that anybody who's into Mustangs and stuff like that, and has had experience with Steeda, you know, I could only suggest that at some point in your life, you get down there and see what that facility is all about. So I'm going to proceed with the rest of the install. I'm just going to roll into it right now, so check it out. That's it. Fits like a glove. Nice work, man. Well, guys, this is what it looks like. We're about to put the heat exchanger on top. And here's a good look at what the blower looks like inside. Now, I'm here with James and Matt, and we're just, you know, doing our final preparations to put this thing together. Like I said, we got the best guys here to do this work. Things coming along really nice. Beautiful, man.
It's probably going to have to be adjusted a little bit.
Yeah, she's got to sit down, but...
No, you know what it is? It's these right here. The reason why it's sitting up is because of these.
Oh, okay.
These, once you tighten it down, it'll compress those.
I see, yeah, they got to seal.
That's the way they want it.
Okay,
then
cool.
It'll seal up real nice and tight.
All right, that is awesome. That's poetry in motion in this stage 1 kit that we have here.
Yeah.
Okay.
The 4.0 pulley. Stock balancer, here's your boost. So you'll be at 9 pounds and you have the stock throttle body.
Okay.
So you'll be right here at 9 pounds of boost.
Okay, great. Good info.
Yeah, the supercharger's installed, the belt's on. Got the tensioner set up. They said to put it at 80%. I got it pretty close for now.
Yeah.
We'll double check it once it gets running.
Yeah, there's the tensioner down there, right here.
Yeah. It's a pretty nice setup. You got
Looking good, Matt.
You got the big wheel here.
Yeah, right. That's a 4-inch pulley.
I know, that thing's huge, isn't it?
Yeah, well, one day we're going to put a 3-inch pulley on it.
There you go.
Make some big power.
But yeah, it's looking good.
All right. All right, guys, look at this. We just took the cover off the front of the blower here, and this is the reason why I took advantage of this blower, because this blower has a pretty big, I mean, I don't know, I guess it's a huge opening. I don't want to over-exaggerate here, but it's significantly bigger than the opening that you'll see on the Ford Roush blower. So there's a good amount of potential in this blower that I didn't think was available with the Roush blower. Roush blower is a good setup, but I felt this was a better direction to go in. So there you have it. Here's a good look at what this thing looks like. It looks pretty cool. What is that showing? Almost about 6 inches in width.
About 5. Just a little bit over 5 3/4.
About 5 3/4. And the height, I don't know. I would guess that's about maybe, I don't know, 4 inches or something like that. Just a little bit over 4 inches. Give you an idea what
4 1/4. Yeah.
4 1/4. Yeah.
Almost.
Give you an idea what the actual dimensions are. So this is what we're dealing with here. This is, you know, like if I ever want to step it up in the future and go to a stage 2, stage 3 kit, this is what I have that's available to work with.
Your adapter. This is a stage 1 kit. You get the adapter piece. This side goes on the blower, and of course there's an O-ring that goes on this side for the throttle body you go to. But this piece allows you to, you know, go from the stock size throttle body up to the big opening on the front of the blower.
See, now that's a good illustration, because if you flip that over, that's roughly on the back side. That's roughly the size of the throttle body opening for the Roush blower. And when you look at this, right, and look at that bolt pattern, you can see the difference in size between the two. It's it's a good way to get an idea of the
Right, that
differences.
goes to show you, you know, when you're running the stage 1 with this adapter piece,
Right.
and then if you go up to the big 132, you got this whole area right here that you're going to get rid of, and this whole area is going to be one throttle body.
Right.
You know, that's going to be a big difference.
Absolutely. Cool, Matt.
132.
Very good.
Yep.
And there's the spacer going on. You know, it's like the stage 1 kit really chokes this thing down, but this is what we do to get the warranty.
Yeah,
at
you
first.
can go from this size to like all this area here.
Yep. Yeah, there's a lot more potential in this than the stage 1 kit.
But this one comes with a potential of a warranty.
That's right. That was very important to me, especially with these 18 engines.
Exactly.
A lot of them having problems.
That's the way I would go until you feel more comfortable with the way the car's running.
That's right,
You know?
man.
These cars are still fairly new, you know what I mean? So everybody's throwing superchargers on them and stuff, and Whipple's out there offering a warranty, which in my opinion is probably a very smart idea, you know, for business also.
Yep.
You know?
Yep. Yeah, it sold me for sure.
Exactly.
All right, awesome, man. Very cool. All right, guys, look at this. This is the, I don't know, the air cleaner housing,
The mass airflow.
the mass airflow housing. And look at the size of that. I don't know, what is that, like 6 inches? Have we got a tape around here somewhere? Anyway,
You check it right here.
yeah, look at this.
I don't even think I gotta turn it around the other way. Hold on.
We're gonna measure this.
No,
Wait,
125 millimeters.
125 millimeter, okay. See that? What does that equate to?
Inches. It would be 4.9, 4.92 inches.
Just a skosh under 5 inches, right? And how about the throttle body opening?
3.32, 3.3.
And what is that?
And millimeters, that is about 85 millimeters.
All right, so that's 3.3 inches.
We're going from 85 millimeters to 125 millimeters.
That's amazing. The size of that reducer. It's just like you're going from 5 inches to 3 inches.
That's what you got to use when you're going from 120, whatever, 130 to 85.
I'm looking forward to the stage 2 kit. All right, guys, I want to show you this. This is with the Whipple. This is the intercooler pump and the reservoir tank. And in this case, it's behind the bumper. We still got the bumper off. And I just wanted to show you how they got that squared away. If I'm not mistaken, I believe in some of the older cars with the TBS blowers, that tank is mounted as a second tank up above. But in this case with the Whipple, it's mounted down here, hidden out of sight once the bumper goes on. Pretty cool. All right, guys, so we're going to get a look at the intercooler just before we put the bumper on. And we're just measuring it. I mean, we're looking at it, and it's like a little bit more than 3 inches thick, maybe 3 1/4. And this is, you know, we went with a larger intercooler because down here in Florida, you know, you need all the help you can get. So we stepped it up. Fits right in there, though. There's no problems with fitting it in. It's a very well designed kit. There you go. That's it. It goes back together.
This is a pretty good view of the intercooler behind the bumper. Many people won't see how it fits nice and snug behind the bumper and the, you know, the lower valence right here.
Right.
Pretty nice.
All right, guys, Matt's behind the wheel, and we're gonna fire it up for the first time. Take a look. Yes, sir. We'll let it idle for just a little bit. As you hear it whine. It's a beautiful thing. Way to go, Matt. You did a great job.
Thank you.
All right, everybody, so we're here with Matt, and I just want to throw out a huge thank you. The guy did a great job. He's an excellent mechanic. If there's anybody in the area or anybody in the country that wants to do any kind of work to their car, bring it down to Steeda. You can't go wrong. Matt, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
All right, guys, so that concludes the Whipple install. It was a great kit. Everything installed well. Matt did a great job. It's all good. So, but that's not the end of it, because next we're going to put the car in the dyno and see what it's laying down. So stay tuned.